to researchers, rising sea levels are impacting our area, and it's causing an increase in so-called nuisance flooding. A new report by NOAA puts Baltimore and Annapolis at the top of the list of U.S. cities where this is happening, and researchers say it is only going to get worse. Here's 11 News reporter Karen Campbell.
It's becoming a public inconvenience, and it's happening more in Maryland than any other state in the country. Flooding. But not just any type of flooding from a rain event. According to a study by NOAA, Baltimore and Annapolis rank in the top 10 U.S. cities for increased nuisance flooding.
Nuisance flooding, unfortunately, is just that. It's a pain in the you-know-where. It's just enough flooding to cause a problem.
WBAL meteorologist Mary Marshall says the reason is because of rising sea levels due to climate change. Some of the areas most prone to this type of flooding in Baltimore: Thames Street in Harbor East and the Mount Washington area.
You don't even have to have rain to get the nuisance flooding here. It can just be a matter of a higher tide, also a matter of the wind flow, actually. If we get a persistent north-northeast wind, that helps to push more water in.
According to the report, nuisance flooding, which is less violent but still disruptive, has increased on 3 U.S. coasts between 300 and 925% since the 1960s. To give you an idea of the impact in our area, Baltimore got an average of 1 nuisance flood day between 1957 and 1963. Annapolis, nearly 4. Between 2007 and 2013, Baltimore received 13 average nuisance days per year. Annapolis got 39. Authors of the study say it can cause road closures, overwhelmed storm drains, and compromised infrastructure.
The streets or bridges are not necessarily equipped to deal with persistent flooding like that. They're, maybe can handle a rainstorm, maybe a little storm surge, but that daily, consistent flooding, it's not necessarily equipped to deal with that. So you could see more infrastructure damage as well.
NOAA researchers say as sea levels continue to rise, nuisance flooding could intensify in the coming years. Karen Campbell, WBAL TV 11 News.